Yeah, I'm really trying to understand a lot of you new school hairstylists, you know, who start up these Instagram pages and you don't know anything about businesses. Like, you don't really know exactly what you're doing, you don't know how it works, you don't know how to, you know, gain clientele, actually have people that will come to you regularly. It's really irritating. Let's talk about this hair and the fact that my edges are not done and how awful it is. Like, this hair is so bad. I'm about to take it out because it's been like coming up to 2 weeks, like a week and a bit. Let me show you the mess, right? Okay, this is the mess that's on my head. Imagine after 2 days of me getting my hair done, this is the situation. Like,
this is the situation. Let me actually even dim the lights. This is the situation. This is the situation that I'm dealing with. Like, this is the situation that I'm dealing with. This is the situation that I'm dealing with. This is the situation that I'm dealing with. Like, this is the situation that I'm dealing with. This is the situation that I'm dealing with. This.
And you mean to tell me that I'm gonna pay? Don't move now. You mean to tell me that I'm gonna pay you my hard-earned cash for this to be my life right now? Is that what you're really trying to tell me? And then when I ask you for a refund, you want to try to tell me £15? I paid you 60. I paid you 60. As a hairstylist myself, I can totally understand the fact that you stood there for 9 hours basically and you did my hair. I get it. So I'm not asking you for the full refund because I get it. I'm understanding. Yeah. But the fact that just over 24 hours later, this hair started to unravel. Yes, and I specifically let this girl know that this was meant to be my birthday hair. Like, I specifically told her. I specifically said, this is my birthday hair. I have 2 shoots and there's Christmas obviously and New Year's because I'm born 5 days before Christmas. So there's that. A lot of these accounts, they don't know how to take accountability. It's like they just take the money, they pocket it, and that's it. Like, babe, that is not how businesses work. If you are in the wrong, you are in the wrong. Point blank, period. Point blank, period. You're in the wrong. Learn how to accept accountability. Although it may not happen all the time, I get it. You know, this has never happened before. Everyone always says that. This has never happened before. Okay, but at some point it's gonna happen because you're not God. Okay? You're not God. You're human. At some point you're gonna make a mistake. And today, honey, ciao, today was the day that you made the mistake. Today was the day. So take accountability. You did not do it properly. So don't come on that flex of, oh, well, you know, you were okay with it at first. Of course I was okay with it first because it wasn't coming undone. After the 24 hours, it was coming undone. So at that point I was not okay with it. And I let you know the whole way through. Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. Come on a disrespectful tip of low-key blaming the client. I am not one of those chicks that will come and try to scam you. I work for my coins, okay? My hair's up all the time because what am I meant to do with this? I can't even have it down. Like, what am I actually supposed to do with it? Learn common decency. Read a book on how to run businesses. Open up a new account where the money that you get from your clothing line, your hairline, you know, from clients, make sure that that money goes straight into that account. Wait 2 weeks to 3 weeks before you use that money because you don't know when a client's gonna come back and be like, bro, what the fuck is this? And come back, oh, this is getting me so mad. What is this? What is this? Anyway, this right here, this right here, this right, like my whole spirit is vexed. My whole entire spirit, like I was ready to fight. And I'm not an aggressive person, you know. I like to talk things out. I am very calm. I am very understanding. But Lord Jesus, that really irritated me, because the responses were really stupid. Like, they were very dumb. They were really dumb. Like, you yourself, did you type this out and you really thought, yeah, this makes sense? Because it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make, definitely doesn't make any sense. So what are you doing? What are you really, what are you doing? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Be very, very vigilant with these Instagram hairdressers. I am one, but nah, I don't do that kind of crap, and it irritates me when I see other girls doing it, because you ruin the name for all of us. You're ruining it for all of us, because I don't do this. Like, this to me is not flipping acceptable. It's not acceptable. Just be very, very vigilant with the people that you actually do hand over your money. Be very, because a lot of these people, they're here to make a quick buck, and that's it. Like, that's it. They don't care about customer service. They don't care about how they treat you. They don't care about clientele. They're here to make their money. So make sure that you are 100,000% certain. Make sure that someone that you know has been to them before. Just because they're cheap doesn't mean that they're going to be good. Just because they're expensive and well known doesn't always mean that they're going to be good. So make sure that you are 100,000% certain where exactly your money is going. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope I didn't bore you guys to death, and I hope it was kind of entertaining, but I just hope it was an eye-opener so you guys know, don't be wasting your money anyhow. Don't be wasting your money anyhow. Please, 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 I have said, and I hope you've heard, don't be wasting your money anyhow. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, you know, like, comment, you know, all that good stuff. Okay, bye.